Inside modern enterprise data centers, virtualization platforms require networking components for communication. Virtual machines, servers, users, and storage systems all communicate through network infrastructure.
In VMware environments, this communication is managed using virtual switches.
Just like physical switches are used in enterprise networks, VMware also uses virtual switches to manage traffic inside virtualized infrastructure.
This is a standalone VMware ESXi host running inside a production data center environment.
Inside every standalone ESXi host, VMware creates a standard virtual switch responsible for handling network communication. During installation, VMware automatically creates a default switch called vSwitch 0. The standard vSwitch allows virtual machines inside the same ESXi host to communicate with each other.
It also provides connectivity between virtual machines and the enterprise local area network.
Using the standard vSwitch, virtual machines can also access the internet and cloud platforms.
The standard vSwitch can be connected with physical Ethernet adapters installed inside the server. Multiple network adapters are often combined together using NIC teaming for redundancy and high availability.
If one adapter fails, traffic automatically moves toward another active adapter without interrupting connectivity.
Administrators can create multiple port groups to separate different network segments inside the infrastructure.
VLAN configurations can also be implemented for secure and organized network communication.
For example, administrators can isolate management traffic, backup traffic, and production traffic using VLANs.
All standard vSwitch configurations are managed separately on each standalone ESXi host. That means every ESXi host maintains its own independent networking configuration and policies.
Because of its simplicity, the standard vSwitch is commonly used in small and medium virtualization environments.
However, when infrastructures become larger and clustered, organizations usually move toward distributed virtual switches.
Still, the VMware standard vSwitch remains one of the most important foundational networking components inside VMware virtualization.
Understanding the standard vSwitch is essential before moving toward advanced VMware networking technologies.
However, the VMware standard vSwitch also comes with certain limitations in enterprise environments.
Large environments may face configuration inconsistencies between multiple ESXi hosts.
As virtualization infrastructures grow larger, management becomes more complex and time-consuming.
Advanced enterprise networking features are limited in standard vSwitch environments. That is why enterprise infrastructures eventually move toward distributed virtual switch technology. So while standard vSwitch offers simplicity and flexibility, its limitations must also be clearly understood.
Understanding both features and limitations helps engineers design better enterprise virtualization infrastructures.